Hello everyone. Today's lesson is going to be on healing people. So the most basic principle that we're going to want to learn here is we don't want to mix our energies with other people's energies. We don't want to take on their bad stuff. We don't want to take in their stuff and send it anywhere. We don't want to give our stuff up to them because that's just unhealthy. Okay? What we do want to do is use the energy that's around us to heal people. So as I taught you in the bone packing lesson, I think that was the first lesson in the course this year, is the same method you can use to heal people. You can take yin energy and you can give them some and pack and heal their bones. You can take some yin or yang energy as needed, just gently though, and aid the muscle and organs as needed. Or another good healing method is not even having to project any of this stuff, but well, it's best if you take yin, for example, and then you just go like this around the person. If the person's sideways, you come around their head like this, and then you come around the front of their body, and you come down inches away. And this kind of straightens out their aura. And when you straighten out the aura, you straighten out the body. When you straighten out the body, you straighten out the aura. They're one and one. So you change it on the spiritual level, it changes on the physical level. Okay? That's one thing of healing. Another thing you can do with healing is to gather all this energy up into your heart and expel it out of your heart. And when it comes out of your heart, then you can put it into a person. Now, I just said we don't want to mix our energies with people, but if you're really trying to heal somebody very profoundly and strong, you can do this in cases of emergencies, in case of real importance. But the reason why I really do mention this is because we want to open the heart, and this is a good way of opening the heart. So you can heal others and heal yourself by doing this method to a certain degree, okay? But don't overdo it and take it lightly, and don't try too hard. I mean, taking energy in from below the ground and into your heart, and then from on the exhale from your heart out your arms and out your hands to people is good, but don't do it too much. Giving a little bit is giving. Giving too much is sacrificing or abusing. So don't go too far with it. And if you really need to use it, use what's around you instead of what's within you. That's the safest way. And, other than that, as you progress in time, healing people will be able to be done with just using your awareness and scanning their body and using your will just to contract and expand things. So circles will help you do this too, but you don't want to induce with circles when you're doing healing so much as you do when you're trying to build repertoire and such with people and make them feel good and happy. Okay, so that's really simple, right? I mean, taking in some energy and giving it to somebody is not that hard. So that's what healing people really comes down to, because this stuff is energy, and what we're doing is using energy as we live, and that's why we die, because we use it all up. And when you give somebody something to work with, it goes a long way. The next lesson is going to be talking about the heart and how to open the heart.